Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your friend again. I'm big once again right now. So today we bringing my best friend over here, and she's only 6. Yes. Now I have to do the sneeze prank.
Who is talking?
And I'm about to get some water for the sneeze prank. I'm about to get some water. Achoo! And I'm about to come on. I got the water. Now I'm about to do it. Come on. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry up. Come on. She ain't gonna sleep now. This
What's this, son?
Achoo! She sleep. Your face wet? Your face wet? That's what you do for hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Yes, you will.
Face is wet.
Say bye to YouTube.
Come in. No. Yo, come here.
We'll do another video. Bye.
Let's do